What's good, guys? I'm back with another vlog, another banger. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to serve this shit. It's a wave of shit. I need to hit that. Actually, I did hit it. So yeah, today I'm cooking. You know, just preparing some small stuff. You know, nothing to stay my pop. You know.
Playing for keeps for certain. 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 For certain. For certain.
My girl ain't here today, so yeah. Hey, my pot, excuse my pot. But on top it looks clean, you know. On top it looks clean, but excuse my pot. I'm a man, bro. I'm a man, you know. Okay. Can't cry about no dirty dishes and all. Today it's cooking with Ellie. Yeah, we're cooking with Ellie today, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friend, your mama, everybody. Tell everybody about me. Tell everybody about Ellie that Ellie try something. He be cooking shit. So yeah. Oh, and guys, I ain't got ingredients. I'm out of ingredients. Shit. But it is what it is, man. Life of a man. And my problem, guys, is I don't got like onions and all. Just got like this tomato, just chop it and all. So, man, just make it blend and see what I do because like I can't just get out of here. You dig? Like I don't have a tag and stuff. Got into this flat here around, you know. So I ain't got no tag and all. See by the gate down there. I ain't got no tag or nothing like that. See, that nigga at least type shit. But as for me, I ain't got no tag and all, so yeah. Man, I can't just go out for an onion that costs like 2 rands or 1 rand, bruh. Imagine I be standing there all day, all the time. Like it's even dry. Ain't nobody outside. So yeah, let's surf. There, I'm gonna chop these now. I sent my girl onions and tomatoes yesterday. She only got 1 tomato, bro. She told me she was tired. You know, her mama this and that. She was sending her up and down and all. But then it is what it is, so yeah. Oh yeah, we're just cooking teen stuff, you know. Lucky star. I wonder who's lucky to have me. I'm just kidding. Ain't nobody lucky to have anybody, man. You don't need anybody. Just need you know what I'm saying? You don't need nobody, man. You just need you yourself, man. You know? Work on yourself. That's it. Just work on yourself and let God do the rest. You just gotta chase a chick. You'll forgive me for whatever I'm doing. It's just me who's gonna eat this food. My girl ain't gonna eat this. My mama ain't gonna eat this. My bro, it's just me, bruh. So yeah, enjoy. Yeah, I'ma have to wait for my my pop to finish cooking. Probably like 5 minutes, and then I'ma show you my dish. It's just a boring dish, cause my girl ain't here today. You know when my girl ain't here, I be eating boring food, boring. Time my dish up. Time my dish up, man. It's time my dish up. It's nice, but poverty is upon the boy. Poverty is upon the boy, you know. Poverty is upon the boy, but then it's nice food, you know what I'm saying? It ain't even poverty, man. I'm tripping.